Hello everyone, welcome back to another unpacking. I had to do this one on the floor because obviously this is a rather large package, but to start off with I've got 3 smaller packages. So in my haste of excitement I opened one the other day and I thought, well, my viewers won't get to enjoy, the unpacking of a car part. Really exciting stuff. Anyway, we'll do it anyway. Oh dear, what is this? Right, so we have, put that aside, we have tie rod ends, a set of. There we go, should do the trick. I think the ones on the car have probably been there about 30 years, so yeah, that will refresh that a little. Okay, so I think we'll go for this one. This one was in the door. Yeah, this one actually, the postman passed me. Yes, Breeze. This one was still in the letter flap, a letterbox flap thing. I don't need the scissors for this one. Just double check that that is what I think it is. Yes, it is. And there is a receipt in there which I won't need to pull out. That is an alternator plug kit for the alternator. Yes. Yep, okay, that's good. There's more paperwork in there so I can add that to the growing list of bits. Apologies for that everyone. My cat is getting extremely old and yeah, she just meows whenever she feels like it. Yeah, it's a bit frustrating because there's not much I can do. She's got dementia. Right, this one. I think I know what this one is. Oh, I've cut the bag. And it's stuck to the actual packaging. There we go. And there we have, that's bigger than I expected it to be, 3 speedo cable. Not a throttle cable, a speedo cable. I'm hoping that's the right one. I'll bring that closer to the camera. I'm hoping that's right. So that's that end. And that's the other end, and I'm guessing that bit goes in the back of the speedo. I could be wrong, either way I don't know. This is new to me. I've never had to fit a speedo cable to a car before. So yeah, okay, that's that one, and the last one is rather big, so okay, that's a lot of cardboard. Oh, I think this is NOS, not nitrous oxide. Yeah, it looks like it is new old stock. Let's fold that back down again. There we go. I think this was a remanufactured part, but I don't think it is. When I grab the camera, we can zoom in on the label. 1 second. Okay, so let's move these bits out of the way. We have here what looks like an original parts label. Can't see it's not a massive amount of information on there. February 90. Could that be something? There's a locator, check digits, locator number, description, quantity 1 of course, and then go up to that one, another Ford sticker. This is an original rear inner valance. Let's go along the valance this way. Yeah, there we go. 2 points. You got the triangle there and a triangle there, and that is where the fuel tank hooks into. And also the chassis rails sit in here. So I'm going to flip this over a second so I can look at on the top edge there. That would be spot welded. Along with that one there, that would be spot welded. Let's go all the way along. Same at that end. I would have thought there'd be like end plates where it sits against the inner wing. But there's nothing there. Maybe this piece. Maybe that bit. That bit there. That's the lower end. I haven't seen the inner valance being worked on before. I will check a few YouTube videos just to see if I can find anything regarding inner valances, and maybe I missed one that Pete did. So I will go back and have a look over the video, see what I can find. But anyway, yes, some more Borgen back. The parts for the alternator and a speedo cable. So yeah, nice little haul again. So more parts to go towards the project, and yeah, if anything else comes up in the meantime, I'll let you know. Anyway, thank you for watching Hooked On Classics. I'll see you again.